Morning students, as you all know that we are doing the map skill of our chapter number 5. Okay, in geography we are continue with the map skills of our chapter number 5, and the name of our chapter number 5 is minerals and energy resources. Okay, students, as you all know that last week we have discussed about the production of important minerals. Okay, in my last video I have told you about the production of important minerals, like we have discussed about the production of iron ore, production of manganese, production of bauxite, and production of mica also. Okay, and now today in this video we are going to discuss the map skill of our conventional energy resources. Okay, in this video you will learn about the map work of conventional energy resources. But before discussing the map work, you should be aware about conventional energy resources. That what are conventional energy resources? So let me read about this. Students, as you all know that we have energy resources. Energy is required for all activities. Okay, it is needed to cook, to provide light and heat, to propel vehicles, and to drive machinery in industries. Students, energy can be generated from fuel minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, uranium, and from electricity. Okay, just see the classification of energy resources. We can classify our energy resources into two parts. Okay, classified as conventional energy resources and non-conventional energy resources. See, what are conventional energy resources? So conventional energy resources include firewood, cattle dung cake, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and electricity. In electricity we have to take both hydel and thermal. Okay, now non-conventional energy resources. These non-conventional energy resources include solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, biogas, and atomic energy. Okay, students, so this is the classification of our conventional of our energy resources. Two parts: conventional and non-conventional energy resources. Okay, so today in my video I am going to explain you about conventional sources of energy. Okay, and in conventional sources of energy we have many sources, but in this video I will tell you about coal. I will tell you about coal fields and coal mines, that what is the location of major coal fields in India and what are the major coal mines located in those coal fields. Students, in India, coal is the most abundantly available fossil fuel. It provides a substantial parts of the nation's energy needs. Okay, and it is used for power generation, to supply energy to industry as well as for domestic needs. Okay, it means we are using our coal in our household domestic works also, and it is also very important fuel in industries also. India is highly dependent on coal for meeting its commercial energy requirements. Okay, it means a large number of our factories and industries are working with the help of our coal. So you can understand the value of this coal. Okay, now we will discuss about the map work of coal production. So pay attention about it. Students, this is the map of our India, and in this map we will discuss the conventional energy resources. Earlier I have told you that in conventional energy resources our coal is contributing a lot. Okay, coal is a very important conventional energy resource. So in this video we will discuss about this one, coal fields, and we will discuss about coal mines also. Okay, so students, you can see that in our India majorly we have four coal fields. You can see that these linings, okay, these linings, it means this total area is indicating a coal field. Okay, this area, just see the close look, this area is also indicating the location of a coal field. This area also, number 2 we can say, and this is our number 3 coal field, and this is our number 4. So in the very beginning I am taking this coal field, okay, and just see, and students just observe the states, that how many states are included in this coal field. So see, Meghalaya is a part of this coal field. Assam is also the part of this coal field, and Arunachal Pradesh also. And students, some parts of Nagaland also. Some parts of Nagaland also are the part of this coal field. Okay, you can see these linings. What you have to do, you have to take your geography book along with you when you are listening this video, when you are attending this video. Take your geography book also, only then you will be able to understand. Okay students, now see how many coal mines are located in this coal field. Just pay attention, these lines are equal to coal fields, and this black short triangle is equal to coal mines. So see students, what is the name? Makum. This is the name Makum. So Makum coal mine is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Just learn it. Makum coal mine is located in Arunachal Pradesh, and this is our Nazira. Nazira coal mine is located in Nagaland, and this is the state of Assam, and Janji coal mine is located in the state of Assam. I think this much is clear to you. Okay, we have major 3 coal mines in this coal field. As you can see, these 3 black triangles are indicating 3 coal mines. Makum is located in Arunachal Pradesh, and Nazira, this one is our Nazira. Nazira is located in Nagaland, and Janji is located in Assam, and this triangle is equal to Janji. Okay, so this is also the major coal field located in our India. Now I am taking this one. You can say number 2. Number 2, major coal field. Okay, students, just see that how many states have been included in this major coal field. So this is the state of Jharkhand, and this is our Chhattisgarh, and this is our Odisha, and this is our West Bengal. So you can and some parts of Maharashtra also. Okay students, some parts of Maharashtra are also included in this coal field. So majorly 5 states have been included in this coal field. Maharashtra 1, and this is our Chhattisgarh 2, Odisha 3, and this is our Jharkhand 4, and some parts of West Bengal. So West Bengal is equal to number 5. So 5 states have been included in this major coal field. Now see the coal mines. Again I am telling you, this black triangle is equal to coal mines. So students, at first see this coal mine, and the name of this coal mine is Singaroli. So Singaroli is located in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Korba coal mine is located in Chhattisgarh, and Talcher coal mine is located in Odisha, and our Bokaro and Jharia, both of the coal mines are located in Jharkhand, and Raniganj coal mine, it is also very important and popular coal mine located in West Bengal. So students, how many coal mines we have in this area? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 coal mines we have in this coal field. And it is also a very important coal field of our India. Now see number 3. Okay, student, just see this coal field has taken some parts of Madhya Pradesh, some parts of Maharashtra also. Okay students, and some parts of Telangana also. See some parts of Chhattisgarh also, and some parts of Andhra Pradesh also. So this total area is also another important coal field, and small parts of many states have been included in this coal field. Now see the coal mines. Major coal mine is the name of this coal mine is Singareni coal mine, and this coal mine is located in Andhra Pradesh. Okay students, now see this one. Okay, this is we can say this is our number 4. Number 1 we are counting to this one, number 2 I am counting to this one, number 3 I am counting to this one, and number 4 I am counting to this one. So this coal field is located in Tamil Nadu. As you know that this is the state of our Tamil Nadu, and this coal field is located in Tamil Nadu, and we have major one coal mine located in Tamil Nadu, and the name of this coal mine is Naveli. Okay students, Naveli is the major coal mine located in Tamil Nadu. Okay students. So in this video this much is enough for you, okay, because if I will discuss about other topics like oil fields and major natural gas, so I think you may be confused about the information. So in this video students I am giving you this much only. In my next video we will discuss about oil fields and major natural gas reserves. We will discuss about these two. Okay students, so once again I am repeating today's map work. We have discussed about coal fields. Majorly we have 4 coal fields, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in these 4 coal fields we have many coal mines. Okay, these black small triangles are indicating coal mines. I have told you name also. Okay, all these names also I have told you. And one more thing, I will give you the PDF also just about the location of these coal mines, okay, so that you will be more comfortable after attending that PDF. Okay students, so just prepare your map with neat and fine work. Show all the coal fields in your India map, and just show all the coal mines also. Okay students, thank you students, have a good day.